Hi, my name is Tanya Saad. I welcome you to the video series on the commonly asked questions on advertising and marketing, where we unveil details about Unisquare Concepts, its CEO, Mr. Uday Santalia, and the services offered. In this video, I would be answering the frequently asked questions relating to Unisquare Concepts and its CEO in general.
Question 1. What is Unisquare Concepts?
Unisquare Concepts is an advertising agency headquartered in south of New Delhi. Established in August 2013, it is a one-stop shop for advertising and marketing solutions. With a powerful team of creative, enthusiastic, and cognizant professionals, it aims at providing premium quality services to ensure the highest client satisfaction.
Question 2. What does Unisquare Concepts do?
Unisquare Concepts aim to provide a holistic and out-of-the-box experience to our clients. With a well-built network established after years of experience and a rapidly expanding business base, we focus on bringing out new shades of advertising culture. We use our diverse skill set in strategy, creativity, data, and technology to provide best result yielding tailor-made solutions to our clients. Our team of dedicated and skilled professionals actively work towards enhancing client satisfaction in the field of digital media, content writing, designing, social media marketing, and much more. For details of services offered by an ad agency, contact us today.
Question 3. What does your company specialize in?
We specialize in multiple advertising avenues such as digital media, designing, content writing, digital marketing, and third-party management. For more insights on the working of an advertising agency, you can take a look at our portfolio available on the page of our website.
Question 4. Where is your company located?
Our company is located in the heart of South Delhi at Kalkaji. Located at the capital of India, New Delhi, our company entails a client base from across the world. With the state-of-the-art infrastructure and an excellent network of communication, we have successfully been able to overcome the barriers of geography and local communication. For more information, you can visit the contact page of our website.
Question 5. Are there any job opportunities available at Unisquare Concepts?
There are ample of opportunities at Unisquare Concepts. We recruit in several fields of advertising and marketing, including content writing, designing, digital marketing, etc. Our efforts include full-time opportunities, internship, freelancing. However, we suggest that you keep yourself updated with the current openings by visiting the career page on our website.
Question 6. How old is your company?
Unisquare Concepts is an advertising agency headquartered in the south of New Delhi that was established in August 2013. Through years of experience and expertise in our field, we have been able to carve a niche for ourselves in terms of providing the finest brand solutions. From content writing to designing and providing the best digital marketing services, we offer a wide array of services in diverse fields.
Question 7. Can you share your email address?
It's us@unisquareconcepts.com. You can also reach us at 911141094511 or visit us at G73/B Kalkaji, New Delhi, India 11001.
Question 8. How are you different from your competitors?
We have been there in the market since 2013. Our area of expertise is digital marketing. We are not a nook and corner or a freelancing company. We are an ethical company driven with a righteous approach. We make sure client satisfaction is guaranteed and deadlines are met efficiently while providing the best services. At Unisquare Concepts, we deliver what we commit.
Question 9. Can you connect me with the CEO of Unisquare Concepts?
Our CEO, Mr. Uday Santalia, is available for meetings on an appointment basis. Please email addressing the CEO at us@unisquareconcepts.com. Being the head of operations at Unisquare Concepts and an advisory board member at several organizations, he always has a tight schedule. To know more about him, you can visit his website.
Question 10. Does your CEO provide consultancy-related advice?
Focusing on his role at his current company, Mr. Uday Santalia, the CEO and the promoter of Unisquare Concepts, provides business-specific strategies to companies and executives. Apart from having expertise in areas related to marketing and advertising, he also associates with multinational companies looking to establish their presence in India. Besides acting as a full-time advisory board member, Uday often serves as a sounding board member and provides second opinion and feedback on the company's key decisions, products or services, etc. With an excellent team of professionals at Unisquare Concepts by his side, he possesses the capabilities to manage and execute certain operations for the company he is an advisory member of. Check his website at udaysantalia.com.
Question 11. What are some of the core competencies that your CEO can advise us on?
Besides being an effective leader, successful entrepreneur, focused manager, and a powerful orator, Uday is also an acclaimed writer and a technical wizard. With an experience of more than 7 years in his field, our CEO, Mr. Uday Santalia, is available to advise on subjects like B2B marketing, B2C marketing, objective-driven advertising, brand development, establishing businesses in India, startups and SMEs, communication workflow, and digital transformation, to name a few.
Question 12. Can you tell me more about the unparalleled roadmap?
Our CEO, Mr. Uday Santalia's experience of more than 7 years as a seasoned recruiter at Unisquare Concepts convinced him that there was a need for a reality check. He thus set out to pen down his book, The Unparalleled Roadmap, which aimed at being a reference guide for job seekers who are unable to make a career for themselves, despite the availability of numerous opportunities. He has dedicated this book to the youth who feels helpless about not being able to secure a job, even after being supremely talented. The book has been published by Unisquare Concepts.
Question 13. Has your CEO received any recognition for his work?
Uday Santalia has received numerous prestigious awards from reputed bodies throughout his career. He has been recognized for his hard work and efforts and has stood out in several core competencies. As the promoter and the CEO at Unisquare Concepts, Uday Santalia received the honor of his company being awarded as the #1 advertising agency in New Delhi by 3 Best Rated in 2019 and 2020. Unisquare Concepts has also been awarded as 10 most promising advertising agencies in India in 2020 by Silicon India magazine. The CEO Story magazine has recognized its effort by featuring Unisquare Concepts as the Company of the Year 2020 in India.